Aaron, do a snow angel.
What do you think? Do you like it?
You like it?
Do you have this in Arizona? Do you have this at your house?
Yep.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! It must be a miracle.
Wow.
You want to throw the snowball? Here, it's your first snowball. Go ahead, throw it at the wall right there. Hard. Oh, right. You could make a mini snowman, maybe. Let's see. Haha, look at that.
Aaron, feel how cold it is. Feel. Oh. You want to eat it?
I'm making a snowman for Aaron here. Just a second.
Aaron, look, it's your first snowman. Oh, this is perfect snow for making snowman.
Yeah, over here anyway. All right, we'll make that.
Do you want to help up?
What do you think? You like that ball?
Play.
Yeah, I want to go play.
I know I'll eat it.
No, I'm going to make a snowman for Aaron. Don't mess with it.
Aaron.
You want to help me make another one?
No, find the stuff we can use for it.
I'm going to throw a snowball at Ella.
Hi, Aaron. Can you say hi?
Oh!